Hey there, little snuggler. Are you all snuggled in tight and ready for a magical bedtime adventure? Welcome to Snuggle Stories, where every night is filled with cozy tales and sweet dreams. So grab your favorite blanket, get comfy, and let's drift off into a world of wonder.
Hey there, little snuggler. Are you all tucked in, warm and cozy under your blanket? Tonight, we're headed to a snowy construction site, a magical place where hard-working vehicles build by day and dream by night. Snowflakes swirl softly in the moonlight, and the air is crisp and still. Let's tiptoe past snowbanks and piles of bricks to visit each of our tireless machine friends as they settle in for a long winter sleep. Shh! It's time to help them say goodnight. Hello, Speedy the snowplow. You've been zooming through the frosty streets, clearing snowdrifts with your strong front blade. You love making paths for everyone to get home safely, your headlights glowing through the flurries. Now, you roll into your garage, your blade resting low, your engine humming softer and softer. Let's whisper gently, "Good night, snowplow. Good night." Hello, Buster the bulldozer. With your powerful treads and snow-dusted blade, you've been pushing mountains of powder all day long. You love shaping the land and clearing the way, even in the chilliest breeze. But now the site is still, and it's your turn to rest. Your blade lowers, your lights dim. Good night, bulldozer. Good night. Hello, Crystal the cement mixer. You've been spinning and turning, your drums swirling with warm concrete, even as the snowflakes danced on your roof. You love the rhythm of the mix and the clatter of the site. But now, you slowly come to a stop, settling into your snowy corner. Good night, cement mixer. Good night. Hello, Tippy the tower crane. You've stood tall all day, lifting heavy beams into the winter sky, your arms reaching across the site. You love the view from above and the quiet click of your gears. Now, you lower your hook and the stars twinkle around you. Good night, tower crane. Good night. Hello, Blaze the fire truck. With sirens blazing, you zoomed to snowy emergencies, helping wherever you were needed. You love keeping everyone safe and warm. But now, your ladder lowers and your hose is curled. Good night, fire truck. Good night. Hello, Stripes the safety truck. You guided traffic around icy roads and glowing cones, always watching out for your construction crew. You love flashing your safety lights and giving friendly honks. Now, your lights blink slower, off. Good night, safety truck. Good night. Hello, Treadsy the excavator. With your mighty arm and bucket, you scooped and dug even through frozen ground. You love unearthing treasures beneath the snow. Now, you lower your arm gently and power down with a soft sigh. Good night, excavator. Good night. Hello, Dusty the dump truck. You rumbled up and down the frosty slopes, hauling loads of gravel, snow, and soil. You love the crunch of tires on ice, but now your bed is empty and your cab is quiet. Good night, dump truck. Good night. Hello, Skiddy the skid steer loader. You zipped around tight corners, clearing small paths and moving heavy buckets of snow. You love helping everyone else finish their jobs, but now your tracks stop spinning. Good night, skid steer. Good night. Hello, Coco, the concrete pump. You stretched your long arm across the site, delivering warm cement where it was needed. You love the swish and slosh of the pour. But now, your arm folds back in and rests with a little puff of steam. Good night, concrete pump. Good night. Hello, Amber the Grader. You've been smoothing snowy roads, leveling paths so trucks can glide safely. You love the scrape of your blade and the tidy tracks you leave. But now, you pull over and close your eyes under the snowfall. Good night, Grader. Good night. Hello, Gritty the salt spreader. With your belly full of salt and sand, you've been showering the icy roads with safe, crunchy paths. You love keeping tires from slipping, but now your hopper is empty and your motor is still. Good night, salt spreader. Good night. Hello, Breezy the windshield wiper truck. You cleared snow from big machine windows so they could all see clearly. You love the swish swoosh rhythm and the sparkle of fresh glass. But now, you settle next to the others, your wipers at rest. Good night, wiper truck. Good night. Hello, Zoomer the snowmobile. You dashed across the frozen fields, delivering tools, treats, and even warm cocoa. You love speeding along snowy trails. But now, you glide into your shed, your skis resting quietly. Good night, snowmobile. Good night. Hello, Poppy the portable heater. You warmed the workers and thawed the pipes with your gentle, glowing warmth. You love your job of bringing comfort in the cold. But now, your flame dims. Your hum fades to a soft purr. Good night, heater. Good night. As the snowy construction site grows quieter, one by one, every truck and machine rests beneath the starry winter sky. Soft snowflakes fall, covering them like cozy blankets. You've said goodnight to every friend so gently and kindly. Now it's your turn, little snuggler. Close your eyes, nestle deep in your blanket, and dream of frosty roads, tire tracks in snow, and magical machines that work hard and sleep even harder. Good night, snowy sight. Good night, little builder.